have not been to a medical doctor in almost a decade. First, I'll tell you why, and then I'll tell you how. For 25 years, I went from doctor to doctor to doctor, trying to figure out why I was sick all my life. Chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, sinus infections, bladder infections, yeast infections, Hashimoto's, Epstein-Barr virus, burning in my stomach every day for 5 years. The answers that I got from those medical doctors: you're fine. Your vitamin D is a little low. Here's an antidepressant, a proton pump acid inhibitor, an antibiotic. It was a long 25 years. 3 key things that I've done to stay out of the doctor's office. 1, I cut processed foods out of my diet. Your diet doesn't have to be perfect. My diet is not perfect, but most people need some major improvement. The second thing that I do to keep my hormones balanced, my immune system strong, my digestive system healthy, is I eat probiotic foods and I use superfood powders, things that you can get at your natural grocery store or in bulk online. Superfood powders are super cheap. I don't believe in synthetically made pills and supplements, but superfood powders are a must. Organic reishi mushroom powder, #1 used botanical in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. Great source of vitamin D, supports your immune system, digestive health, and so much more. Organic gelatinized maca, great for energy, vitality, better sleep, and everything hormone related. My third secret to staying out of the doctor's office is essential oils. This Warrior Strong blend is a natural broad spectrum antibiotic. Great for sinus infections, bladder infections, yeast infections, skin infections, acne, gut infections, and sugar cravings. Just a couple of drops onto your sinuses, the outside of your ear canal, or to your neck and lymph to support your immune system. This Rescue Me blend is great for so many purposes and has 14 different botanicals, including bitter herbs, which stimulate better enzyme production, help with methylation and detoxification. Sweet herbs like basil and cilantro that support histamine reactions, great for gentle detoxification. You're gonna apply that one, a few drops into your navel or to the bottom of your feet. And also this one is great for allergies, hives, headaches. You can apply it to your temples, forehead, under your nose, or to your lymph. This anointed blend is so good for so many things: viruses, parasites, thyroid, heart, lung. I did this as part of my initial detox. Amazing, and now I use it as needed. This Balance blend has chaste tree berry, pink grapefruit, ylang ylang, smells amazing, and is great for PMS, PCOS, and no more hot flashes. Peace and Joy has several amazing oils for mood lifting and for better sleep. Spikenard for anxiety, and bergamot, which has been shown in studies to be more effective than antidepressants. If you love lavender, you'll want to check out that Calm blend. You can find all my favorites on the shop page of my website at newdaywholehealth.com.